by the house. We're going to do a fishing challenge. You can catch more tilapia. And we're also going to go to Susie.
Our pet Susie.
Yeah.
Yeah, since they get the dog, I think they give up on all the fishes, so we decommission in the aquarium. So it only had 2 Susie left. So we're gonna let go them in the river, and then they wanna do a fishing challenge today.
Who will get the most fishes?
In 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Right? So let's go down and let go the Susie.
Wow.
Oh, look, come along right here, like all the way looking it from. Oh, look, some nice tilapia here. That nice tilapia running across, going swimming across the river. Just throw it out from there. Throw it far. A what?
A phone.
Right there is a little spike to protect them on the flippers.
I'm throwing them out now. Yeah.
One is a female.
Okay.
That is female and this is female.
Alright.
I have the female.
Throw them.
The both of them going in the pipe.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got to do the river challenge right here at the back of the house. You can leave the water in it, you know, Kyle. Alright, so it's 9:15 a.m. They have 45 minutes, so 10 o'clock they're going to finish their challenge, right? Each one of them had their own rod, their own bucket. The challenge have no bait included, so that they catch the bait as well too.
Like phone challenge.
Right, so to see who could catch the most fish, right?
Yeah.
And what do you win again?
I don't know.
Alright, cool. So in 3, 2, 1. Right, so they have a big school of tilapia, a little lower down, but they're making plenty splashes. So the school running down lower. So they're right here. Yeah, but look at them, we'll put them on, walk with that bucket. I can't, don't waste it, don't waste it. Alright, so Carl, let's now catch one. Pull it up so everybody go see. A nice Kusky. Alright. Nice, good job. Good. I want for Kyle, right? Fill the bucket with some water and just put it right behind all you. He come out here, see him come out. There was a Kusky below the pipe. On my side. Look at him there.
I think I'll just check the pipe. Yeah, you come on to the one. Stand to fire, the one too.
Kyle has something here, let me see.
It's a Kusky. No, I think it's a animal. It's going almost.
Just
No,
hold the pipe down right. It'll come down in your hand.
I'm touching it. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Right there, take him out right there.
It feels like a wabi bananas on me.
Just bring him down right. He will come down in your hand right.
Looking like a zombie.
Let him come down in your hand. Don't pull him out, he'll come down. Just slide it out there. Right.
Plenty, girl. Ain't no plenty spike. But he's slipping.
Look like a Zando.
He's stick, daddy.
Let him just lay down here and just hold him. Let's let him come down right.
Is that man? No.
Right. Show us, show everybody. Alright, can I get...
plenty more fish in there too.
Alright, nice. Put them in the bucket.
No.
Oh, he fall back in. That nothing. It come like a catch and release. So that two you have.
Yeah. I can put up the five tail.
Leave it here. Alright, so Nathan. Gotta bring the bucket. Just bring the bucket and let them out in the bucket. Alright, so they catch. Nathan say you have something in the pipe again.
Feel like something. Yeah, I touched something. Small fish.
Alright. So this is Nathan's first one.
I thought Fazando something on my side.
That Koski come across here too.
My stick was still in water. Man, here's the thing. Zando. No. I guess Zando.
Alright, Nathan has something, you know. Right there, Kyle. They gotta come up.
Okay, which side? Which side? From that side. Because it's...
Hold it, hold it.
To catch him.
So Nathan catch up as Zando now. So I one for Nathan and two for Kyle.
Yeah. No.
Look the big school up on this side here. Kyle on fish 3. Nathan still on 1. Show them the fish. Oh, a nice what? Tilapia? Oh, Kyle score on us tilapia. Alright. Alright. So Nathan have 1 and Kyle have 1 there. Show them. Alright. There are 10 minutes left for the challenge, but we went over an hour again. So it's 11 o'clock the finishing. But they're doing good. I was digging in the yard and I got a worm and I get them it and that holding all the fish. Yeah. So they're doing well. All I pull out some grass and rest it on the bucket so they can't jump out. Alright. 10 minutes left, right? Alright. So it's 11 o'clock. The challenge over, so they're bringing the fish now they catch. Come, don't go in deep. Don't go in deep.
Over here, the shallow. Over there,
So they put all the fish in one bucket. Don't put the rod in the water. Right. So I got to take over here. Come Nathan. Come.
Don't record bad.
Hold it.
I'm taking out all the grass.
Right. And well, they caught a few fishes. They now let go 2. And they have some in the bucket here. So a tilapia here, 1 tilapia here.
This is my sardine.
Kyle caught a big sardine.
No.
Another nice here.
You wanted this one. What's the sardine? No! Keep going.
Sardine and tilapia here.
Wait,
Right.
on next sardine. Oh,
Right, so officially Kyle have how much?
10.
10. And how much Nathan have?
No, say 7. Nathan
7
has
and
4.
4. So Kyle win this challenge here, right?
Yep.
And let us finish off the video now.
Look up this. Catch me.
And right there is where snail heaven is. The amount of snails you find walking out.
No.
And I'll finish off all the video.
We are the Rockin' Fishing Boys and we were born to fish.